In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add vertices and edges to an object inside of Blender. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe. So first of all, what we need to do is get ourselves an object. Any object will do here. And we want to go from object mode into edit mode, just like this. Now make sure you have the object selected, and the first way we can do this is by doing Control plus R on our keyboard. And you can see here, we can hover on the face, we can select if we want it vertical or horizontal here. If we want it vertical, we can go ahead like that. And then we can go ahead and scroll with our wheel, so we can scroll up to add more. And you can see we can go really loads, or we can scroll down just like this. So once you're ready, you can go ahead and click on it, and that is going to be the this bit. You go ahead and click on it again, and that's going to sort of finalize it on there. And you can see there it allows me to scroll down and change the placement of them. If you want them to be sort of aligned, then when you're doing this, just make sure that you kind of click and then click rather than spinning around. So just like that, and that's gonna give the cuts on the side just like that. Okay, so to go ahead and add the vertices, what we want to do is click on this button here, which is select mode, and go ahead and select the edge that we want to do this to, and then we can go ahead and press subdivide just like this. We can go ahead and select how many we want. So let's say we want to do 12, and basically we can go ahead and do that for every single point on here. You can see it's divided it up into 12 points right here. So we can go ahead and do the same thing here, divide this up into 12 as well, just like that. Now what we can do is we can select the different points on here, and we can go ahead and connect them up. So if we selected this point, and then we selected like another point down here, so like there and there, if we press J, that's going to go ahead and connect them up, pretty much just like that. And then what we can do is, if we've got any unwanted ones, so say we don't want these ones here, we can shift click on them, press delete, and we can dissolve vertices, and that's going to go ahead and delete them there, just like that. So it's really as simple as that to go ahead and do. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.